Unleashing the potential of keyword research with Serpstat. Keyword research is crucial for beating the competition and achieving success. Proper keyword research drives targeted traffic, enhances visibility, and boosts conversions. In this video, we're exactly going to cover how we can use Serpstat for potential keyword research. What does keywords mean? Keywords are essential for connecting your content to users' search queries, serving as the foundation for blogging and SEO. Understanding different keyword types and user intent allows for effective content customization to meet users' needs and bridge the gap between their queries and the information you provide. Keywords, types of search queries. Now, search queries can be categorized into navigational, informational, and transactional queries. Navigational queries involve users looking for specific websites or web pages, requiring optimization for brand visibility. Informational queries seek knowledge and solutions, prompting the creation of informative content to enhance online visibility. Transactional queries indicate users' readiness to make purchases or engage in transactions. What are short-tail and long-tail keywords? Long-tail and short-tail keywords are distinct types of keywords, each with different user intentions and results. Short-tail keywords consist of 1 to 3 words, are broad, and have high search volumes but face intense competition. In contrast, long-tail keywords are longer and more specific, targeting niche audiences with lower search volumes but less competition. Using a combination of both can optimize your keyword strategy. Serpstat's step-by-step guide for keyword research. Create an account by signing up on their website. Once registered, you can explore the user-friendly platform's features, starting with the overview section where you can enter your main keyword and access options like related keywords, search suggestions, and competitors. The keyword analysis provides crucial metrics such as search volume, PPC competition, CPC, and KW difficulty to assess the viability of your chosen keywords. Analyze your competitors effortlessly with Serpstat's competitor analysis feature. And lastly, explore related keywords and review SERPs to satisfy search intent and create comprehensive content that increases your chances of ranking higher.